Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version. Now you might be facing this with possible apps you're downloading, so you need to make sure of a few things. First of all, you need to make sure that you're operating on the latest OS. In order to do that, you can go over to your settings, and then try to find where you can have your systems update. In our case, you could either find it in System or About Phone. We're going to tap on System, then locate the software updates, tap on it. And here you can see that there are some updates pending. So you need to make sure that this isn't a problem. So make sure you're currently updated. And then the next thing we'll need to do is to tap and hold on the Play Store app, tap on Info, then under Storage and Cache, tap on it. You're going to find that you can clear some cache or clear some storage. Now, when the cache is full for some devices, this might trigger this compatibility issue because your operating system on your device does not have enough space to operate the app. So go ahead and clear the cache, and then if you manage to install the app you're having a problem with, you could also follow the same steps, get to the app info and clear the cache of whatever app is giving you the same problem. So if you update your device, clear the cache and storage of your Google Play Store and the app that might be giving you a problem, restart your mobile device, this should fix the problem for your device compatibility. Now, if all of this has been done and you're still not finding a solution, this simply means that your device or region is not compatible with the app, as this might be as a result of geographic restrictions. However, you can go ahead and try these options out and let us know in the comments if it works for you. We'd be happy to respond.